Why version control matters.
Version control empowers developers to track and manage changes in code efficiently. It safeguards your project history, facilitates teamwork, and helps prevent costly mistakes. Whether working solo or with others, version control provides transparency, accountability, and the ability to roll back to previous states. Embracing these tools is a foundational step for any organized and reliable software project.
Commit early, commit often.
Make frequent commits with clear descriptive messages. Each commit should represent a logical unit of work, making it easy to identify changes and undo mistakes if needed. Avoid lumping unrelated updates together. This approach creates a clean history that is easier for both you and your collaborators to follow, debug, and learn from.
Use branches to organize work.
Branches allow you to develop features, fix bugs, or experiment without disturbing the main code. Name branches clearly based on their purpose, and regularly merge completed work back into the main branch after testing. This keeps your project organized, encourages parallel development, and minimizes conflicts and confusion.
Write clear and useful commit messages.
A good commit message summarizes what changed and why. Start with a brief statement, then add more detail if necessary. This habit makes it easier to trace changes, understand the project's evolution, and assist anyone who revisits the code, whether that's your future self or team members.
Synchronize and communicate.
Always pull updates regularly to integrate others' changes and avoid conflicts. Before pushing your own changes, ensure your local repository is current. In team projects, communicate about major changes and coordinate merges. This helps maintain a smooth workflow and keeps everyone on the same page.
Document and review.
Maintain documentation with your code, such as README files and clear comments. Make use of code review tools, or collaborate with peers to check each other's work. These practices lead to cleaner, more reliable projects and encourage knowledge sharing and growth.